DJM TV.
Breaking news: gunmen attacks Professor Charles Soludo. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time that this video got to you. This is DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news in Nigeria and all around the world. Thank you so much for joining us. Now to the news. Gunmen attacks the former CBN boss Charles Soludo in a meeting which held in Anambra State. The former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria and aspirant for the All Progressive Grand Alliance Party in the November 6 governorship election to take place in Anambra State was in an interactive session between the Isofia youth and himself at the town's civic center when the gunmen arrived. 3 police orderlies who were attached to the former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria were lost in the gun battle between the gunmen and themselves. Dr. Nelson Obina, who is the convener of Youths Earnestly Seek Soludo Yes and the National Secretary of All Soludo Support Group, confirmed the attack. He said there was a serious stampede in Afuzo area of Isofia, which is in Agwata local government area of Anambra State. Dr. Nelson, while speaking, condoled with the families of the lost ones and prayed that the Lord will grant their soul eternal rest. He also confirmed that the State's Commissioner for Public Utilities, Engineer Ezenwanne Emeka, was also taken away by the men of the underworld. Soludo Charles, who is the former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, is from Isofia and is an aspirant for the November 6th governorship election in Anambra State, which is built to hold on the 6th of November 2021. Also speaking, Mr. Chinedu Wonye, the chairman of All Soludo Support Group, said that what happened to the Professor Charles Soludo could be politically motivated, as this is one of the plans to discourage him and all his supporters ahead of the November 6th, 2021 election, which the Independent National Electoral Commission has said will hold in Anambra State. Recall that Professor Charles Soludo is the governorship aspirant and candidate for the All Progressive Grand Alliance Party, which is the ruling party of Anambra State. Mr. Chinedu also said the attack happened between 4 and 5 p.m. after Professor Charles Soludo finished his consultation meetings in Osofia community of Agwata local government area of Anambra State. The police officers who were lost were said to be trying to protect the former governor of the Central Bank before the gunmen got them down. Although no one has come forward to claim responsibility for the attack that just happened, but Mr. Chinedu has said that the attack on Professor Charles Soludo is highly condemnable, as it is not the right way to play politics. Professor Charles Soludo, as we know, is a former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, a graduate from the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, and also a native of Isofia in Agwata local government area of Anambra State. He announced his intention to run for governorship under the All Progressive Grand Alliance Party in February 2021. Before this, he has worked at the World Bank from 1993 as both a long-term and short-term consultant. Under Chief Olusegun Obasanjo's administrator, he was the economic advisor to the president and the chief executive of the National Planning Committee. And in 2019, President Muhammadu Buhari appointed Professor Charles Soludo as a member of the Economic Advisory Council. Born on the 28th of July 1960, Professor Charles Soludo studied economics at the University of Nigeria, Nsukka in Enugu State. He graduated with a first-class honors degree in 1984, and he got his MSc in economics in 1987, and also a PhD in economics in 1989, all from the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. And for all of these degrees, he won prizes for being the best student at every level. As a seasoned economist, Professor Charles Soludo ventured into politics in 2009 when he announced his aspiration to become the governor of Anambra State under the People's Democratic Party. In 2013, July 17, Professor Charles Soludo resigned from the People's Democratic Party after he wrote a letter to Alhaji Tuka, who was the national chairman of the party, and later joined the All Progressive Grand Alliance Party in preparation for the governorship election in 2013. Although, as at the time of filing in this report, the whereabouts of Professor Charles Soludo is unknown, but one of his aides, who has claimed to be anonymous, has said that the professor is in a safe place. The attack on the professor is highly condemnable, and also this will make it one of the many times that the police have been attacked in Nigeria. Recently, the police high command has paraded 16 suspects who were arrested from different parts of the region of the eastern part of Nigeria for allegedly being involved in the attack of police officers and police stations in the southeast. When the Anambra State Police Public Relations Officer Ikenga Toshuku was contacted, he confirmed the incident and he said, although he was unaware of the numbers of casualties, but he said the incident happened at a political gathering involving Professor Charles Soludo and the youth of Isofia, but he was still gathering more information about the incident. Professor Charles Soludo is now a leading aspirant in the November 6th governorship poll in the state under the platform of the All Progressive Grand Alliance Party, and he said that the attack on him is politically motivated. This is why we'll come to the end of this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. Please do well to like and to share this video. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will be aware of more updates on this story and more. Until we come your way again, please do not forget to like and follow us on all our social media platforms, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, and even on TikTok. Do well to check out our website at www.djmtv.news. And also do not forget, you can place your advert with us, and be rest assured that when you place your adverts with us, you will get your product to the right market. Until we come your way again with another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update, my name remains Laworo Favor. Remember, we all have a role to play in the safety of our nation.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV.
Let's go. Mado.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.